All right, today I'm here with the unboxing of a surprise Valentine's Day gift for my wife. So I won't say what it is until I open up the box because she is holding the camera. So as you can see from the box, it is a jewelry box. So it comes in this nice black jewelry box here with Hermes embossed or stamped, I should say, on the very top. And let me go and do the reveal. So inside, again, you see Hermes Paris, and we have the Kelly Chaine bracelet in rose gold hardware with diamonds. So there are 41 diamonds across both the two buckles. And as I rotate it around, you can see it's a chain style bracelet. It also comes in more of like a cuff link style, or fully solid style bracelet as well, which is a lot more rigid. I felt like, this would be a style that she would appreciate a little bit more. Obviously, being named the Kelly bracelet for the Kelly buckle, that is right here in rose gold. And as you can imagine, to take it on and off, pretty simple. You twist just like the buckle on the bag, and you can take it off and on like that. So the chain comes in several different sizes. This is a size, they call it SH or PM, which is, good for wrists about circumference-wise. About actually my size wrist or a little bit smaller, so it's about 5 inches or so. Circumference-wise, again, you can make these larger or smaller, the chain larger or smaller depending on your particular wrist size. So it does also come in regular gold and silver, and it also comes in a non-diamond, just plain metal version as well. And obviously the prices vary significantly depending on the choice of material and if there's diamonds. So the non-diamond version is around $3,500 to $4,000. The diamond version, this one in particular with the rose gold, retails for $11,600 as of February 2024. So thanks for watching. As always, please feel free to leave any questions or comments below, and I'll see you next time.